Yeah, welcome to our YouTube channel, dear subscriber. Today we'll be designing four-way test in simple and plain language. All right, now first of all, you come in with a rounded rectangle, duplicate it, duplicate it, readjust your duplicate such that it's smaller than the first rectangle you inputted. Select the two and align it center and middle so that the duplicated copy is aligned in the middle. Then come in with a rectangle, insert a rectangle, place it like this, then select everything. Just make sure it's well aligned, just as you're seeing it. Then select everything and make a duplicate of it. After which, make two extra duplicates as same. Then delete this smaller ones, smaller rectangle, delete the three of them, leaving the first one. Then the first one, make a duplicate of it and position it this way that you are seeing it. Then select the three smaller rectangle, duplicate it, and position it just as though they are in ladder, the way you are seeing it. Just duplicate it and position it this way. Just make sure they are well aligned. All right, make the third duplicate. Okay, as you can see. Then select the middle of each. Select the middle rectangle of each. Move them somewhere. You can take it to the top, you can take it to the bottom, depending on your choice. Select the remaining shapes. Select it, go to your format shape, go to your match shape, and select fragment. Select fragment and delete the unwanted part, just like this. This should be your end result after deleting the unwanted part from your fragment. Then the two middle shapes, make sure you set them to union one after the other. Then bring back the isolated rectangle shape, bring it back down again and position it such that it connects to the next as seen, so that it connects to the next as seen. And take your time, make sure you take your time to achieve the best results. Just take your time. All right, then now you are going in with your shape color. You want to give it a color. So select the shape, select the small rectangle and go in with your desired shape. For me, I decided to use gradient. I go to my format shape, I select gradient and I choose from the default gradient color like this. And I did the same for the remaining three as seen in the design. Then I go in with a rounded rectangle, just as seen, insert it in the middle, make it cover the middle, make sure it's covering the middle, then format it. For me, I formatted it with 3D shapes and I gave it a very nice cool color as seen. All right, then I duplicate it into the remaining After which, going with your numbering each of your shapes. Remember, we are designing four-way test. Four-way test. So I'm designing with one, two, three, and four. Just like you are seeing it. If you have any other design in your mind, fine. Just make sure you have it numbered. Then I go in with the heading, the text heading. First one say truth. Four-way test. Check the validity of the information. Check if it is the truth. And I distributed it to the four shapes as seen, and uh, formatted it with the corresponding color of the shapes. Then I duplicate the first slide. I duplicate it. Then I select the first slide and take away all the write-ups from the first slide. Take it away. Can delete it. Select the shapes. Go to your arrangement. Align the shapes in the center and also in the middle. Then hold on your shift and control. Then drag it to the desired uh, size you want. All right. Then if you have anything in mind you want to type, for me it is the four-way test. Formatted the text. I go with my popular font, which is Area Black. Change the color to black. Then I type in the four-way test. So if you have been following us to this minute, it means you are a friend. Do it to subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment, share it so as to encourage us do more. Thank you as you do so. After we select the second slide and insert morph transition from our transition, then this is our end result. Isn't this nice? Isn't this beautiful? Thank you for staying tuned.